Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Hey, what my people? Dancehall skilla here again. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. I'm going to talk about and somewhat present a certain amount of videos that I saw or caught my attention. So, my people, if you see someone take both feet from out of shoes, and even if the person have on socks, and you see flies around the person's 2 feet, what do you think that mean? Now for me, it mean either the person's feet have some form of smell that's attracting those flies, or maybe the person's feet have something on it that's attracting those flies. Either way, I think that somewhat cover what we might have done. But anyways, my people, the point is, see, I saw a video that shows flies around someone's 2 feet, and once I see that the video there, I start to think certain ways. That video there make me think about being visited by someone who has stinky feet and go take off the shoes and step in your house with stinky feet. Sometimes I better just allow certain people just walk in the house with their shoes on, because me I tell you the truth, it's set away this. So I say, yeah, but still, what do you think that mean? Let me know what you think about that video. See? Now, on another topic now, my people, see? I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happen when a person punched or hit a person who had been detained by police within the country of Jamaica. I got the understanding that the person punched or hit the person repeatedly or more than one times. The video was recorded inside of a place or a building where law enforcers were at during subscribers, and the video shows at least one police officer who was in police uniform. However, the person who punched the person or the person who hit the person more than one times was not fully dressed in police uniform. But I got the understanding that there is an allegation and also an accusation as to what type of job that person do. And based on the situation, I think I somewhat assume to myself as to what type of job that person do. You see what I say? But me is the kind of person I like to work with confirmed information. And someone brought the video to my attention, but I didn't get much confirmed information about the situation. However, the video shows the words police station on something that's inside of that place. I didn't get any confirmed information as to what might have caused the situation, but if you look and listen to the video carefully, you can get some form of understanding about this type of situation. In my point of view, the video shows at least one person who did certain things to de-escalate the situation for the subscribers. And let me present the video to you so that you can have a better understanding about the situation. But please bear in mind that this video shows a person punching someone repeatedly. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Now that situation, in my point of view, will look away. Yeah, it look away. I think that the situation should have been dealt with more professionally, people. Yeah, so when I say, yeah, and you know me is the kind of person, me not try to disrespect nobody, me just try to point out, say, oh, that right there, so, I just don't believe in violence. But anyways, let me know what you think about that situation. But people, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. So, I saw pieces of videos that shows some things that happened because of a confrontation between a person who is believed to be African descendant and at least two persons who are believed to be Asians. So according to unconfirmed information that I got during subscribers and based on some things that I saw happen in those pieces of videos that I watched, I got the understanding that the person who is believed to be of African descent went at a location or at a business place and some words was said between a certain amount of persons that was there, and then it seems as if a confrontation developed or some type of argument developed between the person who's believed to be African descendant and at least one of those persons who's believed to be Asian. I got the understanding that there was some type of disagreement that caused the situation between those persons. And one piece of those videos shows when one of those persons who's believed to be Asian hold the person who's believed to be of African descendant a certain type of way from behind, while the other person who's believed to be Asian took whatsoever the person who's believed to be of African descendant was holding in one of his hands. A video shows one of those persons who is believed to be Asian hitting the person who is believed to be African descendant more than one time. In one of those pieces of videos, I hear when the person who is said to be African descendant said these words. Listen for yourself. Listen.
Money. Bring back my money. Why?
Listen again. Listen again.
Money. Bring back my money. Why?
I think I hear the word money and other things have been said. One of those pieces of videos seems to have been recorded outside of the place. And that piece of video shows the person who is believed to be African descendant being held down by at least one of those persons who said to be Asian. The other person was also there. You understand, my people? And I also got the understanding that at least one of these pieces of videos shows when the person who is believed to be African descendant throw objects at least one of those persons who is said to be Asian. Viewing subscribers, overall it is said that the person threw objects. So in my point of view, I think that it would have been better if those persons just walk away from the situation there and just avoid that type of situation. But certain things happened. So for you to get a better understanding about the situation, I'm going to present pieces of those videos to you that I saw. And I somewhat edit these pieces of videos to keep it as family friendly as possible. If it is possible, you can tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the situation. See? But anyways, some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
Money. Bring back my money. Why?
Daddy.
Wait. You know the man attack to them? You know the man attack to them? What's the man? Come on.
My people, that was really and truly a unfriendly situation. That was a hostile situation right there, so. Sometimes it's best to walk away from some type of situations. Because based on certain things that I see happen in those pieces of videos, I see where any of those persons could and might have somewhat put themselves in a certain way of a trouble. Don't do anything to get yourself in trouble with the law. You hear me? Sometimes it's best to walk away from some types of situations. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now people, I want to listen to some words that a person said in the next video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. I got the understanding from some words that the person said in the video that he basically pointed out or was talking about or somewhat explained that his picture had been used to do something. My people, I think it's best if you listen to the person for yourself. You can tell me what you think about the words that the person said. You can tell me if you agree or disagree with the words that the person said. You can tell me if you believe or if you don't believe some words that the person said or what, my people. However, listen carefully. Observe.
Good day, Jamaica people. See, there are some people that love like this thing. See? It's a hard-working youth. Hard-working youth. Also a contractor. I'm not go around and I make mistakes with people. I run my joke and I go through. I have 5 sons them and I have 2 daughters. And people take down a picture and I put up a picture with wanted man name and I send out a picture all over Jamaica. I say I wanted. See? Hungry people, me do things. It's electrical, wire, fish wire, ilty, pliers and screwdriver. You know, mix up in a no wrongdoing. Number 1 is not no gunman. The people have published my picture and I send it to real white. The people are calling my phone. Go for my good. He's a father of 7 kids. Me not mix up in a bang around. See? You know, want a body give me a basket of cry water. I say, any hole not dig, don't dig 1, dig 2. Father God not sleep, you know. Father God not sleep. Who have to do this, stop, do it. Who have to do this, stop, do it. Every man have a PhD, you know. Every man have a PhD. The same thing I like yourself, don't give to nobody, you know. Alright.
Now my people, based on some words of the person saying that video, they're still, as I say, I can understand. Yes, I can understand. And listen, I have never met this person before. I don't know this person personally or anything like that. You understand me? I just see the video, I listen to some words of the person saying the video, and I just understand. I tell you the truth. See? Listen, we have to be careful. And when it comes on to certain information put out there on social media, it's okay to read and listen and try to have an understanding, but be very careful at the same time, because some information put out there on social media might not be accurate. Listen to me. Some information put out there on social media might not be accurate. So, I'm just saying, be careful. Anyways, let me know what you think about the words that the person said in that video. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch.
Dancehall skilla.